This is the site of our home, eventually. And right now we're having dirt hauled in to help fill in where we're going to build the house. And this is just a road in the surrounding area out at Lake McBride. Across the street here. And this will be the view looking out of our dining room. And that's Lake McBride out there. I'll take you down for a walk down the lot. You can see we're bringing in a lot of dirt. We'll kind of walk down the hill from the upper part. Now we're looking back towards the lot. I'll walk you out by the lake. 5:45 on a cool October day, October 20th, 1999. This is the walk that we'll take out to our lake. I heard some wildlife. We have deer that are apparently out here during the, especially the winter months. Come out to the path that goes around the lake. This is the path that we take out for walks. Here may be some of the wild animals. And this kind of gives you a view of the lake. Getting towards sunset now. What I think I'll do is I'll walk over towards the dock, and you can see that hopefully. Some of the neighbors and I have the dock together, and we'll have to see if they've taken that in yet this year or not. Give you a view of our lot from the trail here. Maybe see the dirt that's there. And the tree is going to come out probably this spring sometime, or next spring sometime. Okay, we'll swing around here and take a walk down the trail here. Just about a minute or two walk, so it's very convenient to come out here and go for walks around the lake. And we have a special spot where we walk for about 20 to 25 minutes over to the state dock area. And people can rent areas where they can keep their pontoon boats all summer long. We were fortunate enough to have 5 other neighbors and ourselves get together, and the state allowed us to put a dock out last spring. And so this is our second year of having a dock out all summer long, and we can bring it in and out as early and as late as we want when the ice is off the water. Usually this is a lake that has a maximum horsepower of 10 horsepower for boats. So there are real limitations on how fast people are going to be out here. And so you see a lot of pontoon boats, but even more than that, you'll see a lot of sailboats. So the lake really lends itself to a real variety of boating, which makes it real nice. You don't have to worry about the big power boats or anything like that. Oh, here we go. We still got the dock out. That's good. And this is our dock. And a couple of the neighbors still have their boats in the water, it looks like. And this is a better view of the lake. You kind of see. Doesn't look like anybody's out at all. A lot of fishing. In the wintertime they do ice fishing. But a lot of the trees are off the leaves are off the trees. Go back out on the dock here. See, the trail continues along the way here, kind of winds around the edge of the lake here. So we're responsible for the dock, getting in and out. There's some other neighbors who got together and done the same thing. This is all state property. I bet you expected me to fall in the water while I was carrying this camera.